Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, this is Raja Shindi. I'm here to give you a brief on the event on this coming Saturday. So that we're going to have another SNMIC community barbecue event this time. Saturday 26th at 6 p.m. Everyone is invited to this event at the masjid. Please reserve. The link is provided below. I just want to kind of give you a brief on the agenda. We're going to have also some fun activities for the kids and youth and adults. We're going to have face painting and henna for the ladies, face painting for the children. We will have netting class. So if you would like to participate in the netting class, please bring your kit and join us. At 7 p.m. we will start. So we're going to start at 6. The program between 6 and 7, the activities for the children and everyone else, the netting class and all that will be offered from 6 to 7. From 7 to 8:30, from 7 to 8 we will have a directed program. We have a Quran recitation by some children. We will have a special event, a Hajj play. Kids will show and tell the steps to perform al-Hajj, inshallah. I'm going to talk about this, inshallah, briefly. After that, we will recognize the students or the kids who participated in the summer program. We'll announce the winners of the Al-Aqsa competition that we did last Saturday. We will have between 8 and 8:30 water balloon fight for the kids, so make sure to back up clothes for them. Because they're gonna probably be wet. We don't open this until 8, between 8 and 8:30. The menu will be including barbecue, ground beef, Iraqi spices, chicken barbecue, and we're gonna also give away some Zamzam water, holy water, during this event, inshallah. We pray Maghrib, inshallah, at 8:30, and after the 8, between Maghrib and Isha, we have some activities for the ladies that we will do on the ladies' side. For the Hajj activity, I just want to give you a brief. If you would like your child to participate, they don't have to be in the summer program. Everyone is invited. Everyone can participate in the play. Please let me know as soon as possible. If they can wear either white clothes or traditional clothes, that would be encouraged, inshallah. So again, just let me know if you want your child to play a main role in the play, but they all will be following at least saying the talbiyah. But we have gonna do like a mini Hajj play at the masjid. Next, I just want to give you kind of also an idea about the activities. So face painting, henna, we do have the netting, and this is a balloon fight, and pinata balloon. All that will be available, inshallah, on Saturday. Few housekeeping things. Please be on time. No food or drink inside the masjid. And if you have a barbecue grill machine, please bring it with you and let me know so I know that you have one, bring in one, because we're going to need multiple ones. Again, the food will be provided by the masjid, but if you would like to participate with some salad or sweet coffee, tea or coffee, bread, I mean, you're welcome, but the meat will be provided by the masjid. Jazakumullah khair. I hope to see you all. Please share it with your friends. And inshallah, we'll see you. We're going to have another successful event this Saturday, June 26th at 6 p.m. Assalamu alaikum.